Hey friends, if nightlight is not working or won't turn on your computer, then please watch this video. So here's what you have to do. Search for nightlight and go to nightlight in system settings. Make sure that it is turned on. Okay. It will not, what do we say, start nightlight immediately. It will obviously start it at night. But then here's what you have to do. Update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update it. And then right click on the second one and update it too. The next solution is to check location and clock settings. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Make sure that all these three switches are on. Click on sync now. And then there will be a checkbox here. And similarly, I mean, this is both for location, the time zone and the time. The next one is to restart the PC. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.